LTIMindtree Q3 FY26 results, adjusted profit jumps 29% to smash estimates. LTIMindtree reported a consolidated net profit of 970.6 crore rupees, a 10.6% decline year-on-year, primarily due to a one-time exceptional charge of 590.3 crore rupees for the new Labour Codes 2025. However, the core business remains exceptionally strong, as the adjusted net profit jumped 29.1% to 1,401.3 crore rupees, marking a 5.8% beat against the brokerage estimate of 1,325 crore rupees. The company delivered a healthy revenue beat, with operations growing 11.6% year-on-year to reach 10,781 crore rupees, comfortably surpassing the street's consensus expectation of 10,650 crore rupees. This growth was fueled by a 2.6% sequential increase, outperforming the 3.2% growth projected by major analysts, driven by massive demand in the manufacturing and healthcare verticals. In a major surprise for the street, the adjusted operating EBIT margin expanded to 16.1%, which was a significant jump from the 15.4% margin that most top-tier brokerages had forecasted for the quarter. This expansion was powered by a disciplined increase in utilization rates to 86.9% and a sharp reduction in subcontracting costs, allowing the company to drive better profitability per employee. LTIMindtree secured a massive $1.7 billion in total order inflow, including a landmark $155 million, approx. 1,300 crore rupees, 5-year contract with a US-based insurance giant, which exceeded quarterly deal expectations. This strong pipeline provides high revenue visibility for the next 3 years, especially as the company shifts more toward AI-integrated projects that command higher billing rates than traditional services. The company saw a net addition of 1,511 employees this quarter, bringing the total headcount to nearly 88,000, which suggests a much faster recovery in demand than most analysts had originally predicted. Attrition also dropped to 13.8%, beating industry estimates and proving that Limitimineree's internal talent retention strategies are successfully protecting its margins from the high costs of lateral hiring. Overall, LTIMindtree has delivered a quality beat across revenue, margins, and core profits, with analysts likely to raise target prices given the 16.1% margin floor now established by the management. With over 13,500 crore rupees in cash reserves and a massive $1.7 billion order book, the company is effectively outperforming its larger peers in the Nifty 8 space as we head into 2026. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.